Hello everyone, this is Moses from ZAATAR Gardens. I'm in my kitchen, and the reason why I'm showing you these apricots, or actually Flavor Delight Apriums, is that this all came from that one branch that broke. So you can kind of guess why that branch broke, that little branch. That's how productive a Flavor Delight Aprium can be, just from one branch. So how some of them got ripened so quickly is that I put them in a brown paper bag and closed it, and they ripened really fast compared to ones that I didn't put in a brown paper bag. As you can see, I have to put those in a brown paper bag really soon here to get them ripening up. I'm going to make a Flavor Delight Aprium jam. Never done that before, but let's see how it turns out. I'll keep you guys updated. Alright everyone, so I pitted all the apricots. There's my son in the background. I pitted all the apricots, the ones that I could pit. These are just too green, even with a knife, it's not worth it. But I like to add some green in with the apricot jam to give it a little bit of tartness. I'm of course going to add sugar to this mix, but here it is right here. Just have it on low. Don't add any water, and it's to your taste, but add sugar. You're going to have to add sugar. I add heaping tablespoons of sugar one after another and repeat tasting of it, because I don't want to put too much sugar and I don't want to put not enough sugar. But this is almost the whole pot. As you can see, the pot right here, the apricots is right around here. That's how much apricots, but it's going to simmer down probably all the way down to here. But oh, it's going to be delicious. Happy gardening, everyone.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and